Hey guys, I have a question for you. What is a strong password? How we define a strong and secure password? Now, let's say someone writes a script that generates all possible combinations of characters to find your password. Eventually, in time, this someone will crack your password. There's nothing that you can do to prevent it. But we can make his life difficult by setting up a strong password, which will take a very long time to crack. And a very long time means thousands of years. Let's see how a strong password is composed. A strong password must contain lowercase letters, uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols. The password must contain at least 2 characters of each set and must have a minimum length of 8 characters. Now, with this in mind, I'm going to open a PHP file and I'm going to write a function that will generate a strong password. This function will create an 8 characters long random password. The returned password consists of 2 lowercase letters, 2 uppercase letters, 2 digits, and 2 symbols. The function doesn't need any parameters and will return a string, which is the generated password. The first thing that I will do inside the function is to set up the character sets. I will create a variable named lowercase and I will store all lowercase letters in it. I will do the same thing with all the uppercase letters, the digits, and the special characters. Next, I'm going to randomize every character set using the string shuffle function. And I'm going to start with a lowercase string and I will store the result back to the lowercase variable. As you guessed, I will do the same thing with the uppercase string, the digits, and the symbols. If I echo the digits variable, I will get all the digits in a random order. Next, I will create a variable named random characters and I will set its value equal to 2. This means that we want from each character set 2 characters. Next, I will get those 2 random characters from each set. Let's take the 2 random characters first from the lowercase string. I will use the substring function and I will take the first 2 characters from the string. With the substring function, we can get a substring out of any string, but we have to declare how many characters we want. The substring function takes 3 arguments. The first argument is the string from which we will extract our substring. And with the other 2 arguments we set the range. In our case, the starting point is 0 and the ending point is 2. That means that we will get the first 2 characters from the string and we are going to assigning them to the random password variable. Next, I will get the first 2 characters from the uppercase string and I will append them to the random password variable. Now the random password variable is holding 2 lowercase letters and 2 uppercase letters. Next, we are going to do the same thing with the digits, and last with the symbols. To finish our function, we have to randomize the random password and return it. Now let's run the function to see if it works. Our script.php file is loaded in the browser. Let's do a refresh on the page. And here we have our strong random password. We have 2 uppercase, 2 lowercase letters, 2 symbols, and 2 digits. And if I run the function again, we get a different password. Nice. Okay, our function is running fine. But what if we want to specify the length so we get a stronger password instead of getting every time a fixed 8 characters long password? Let's see how we do this. Let's modify the random password function and add some parameters. In fact, we are going to have 4 parameters. In the first parameter, we are going to specify how many characters we want from the lowercase string. In the second parameter, we are going to specify how many characters we want from the uppercase string. In the third parameter, how many digits we want. And in the last parameter, how many symbols we want. Now we have to use those parameters inside the function. Let me scroll down where we have the substring functions. Here I will replace the random characters variable with the respective parameters. So in the lowercase string we are replacing the random characters variable with a lower parameter. Now the substring function will return the number of characters that we are specifying with a lower parameter. Let's do the same thing with the uppercase string, the digits, and the special characters. And let's remove the random characters variable. And let's run the function. Now the password that we want the function to return will have 3 lowercase letters, 2 uppercase letters, 3 numbers and 2 symbols. And it will be 10 characters long. Let's check it out. Let's reload the browser, and here we have it, the 10 characters long password, which consists from the parameters that we have specified. Let's reload one more time. Nice. This is really a very strong password. And that's all for today. We saw how to generate a strong password with the help of a function. If you want the source code, you can jump to my website and copy it from there. And that's it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.